Miss Deeq Mohammed Ahmed. We reached here before 10 minutes ago. We are with Deeq in Darul Shifa Hospital in Mogadishu. She thanks to Free Press Unlimited based in Holland. She receives just $2,000 from Free Press Unlimited. She asks to give a medical and assistance. So just Deeq talks about her feeling.
runtii waa dhaawacanahay gargaar dibaddeena waa u baahanahay hay-addana aaday u mahadsantahay Wariye rees aaday u mahadsantahay
lacagtan waxaan u isticmaalaya This is Mr. Ahmed Kahiye, works with Radio Kulmiya based in Mogadishu. He was one of Somali journalists who injured the blast of car in Mogadishu National Theatre. We are with Ahmed. He receives $2,000 from Free Press Unlimited based in Holland. He says that this amount of money will make him assistance for his life, for his family, and his other daily life. So Ahmed will thank to Free Press Unlimited and says his comment about the 2,000 that he receives.
أقبل ما صنتي وادي المعلمين أصحاب صوب القطن وریاشا سلام وعقلهم اللي برايس لعگ تنو بكون أي سوبرتي صوروا له ودي صاحبي أنا كده وعم قريحي تياترka هذا وسعي كأبان ما اللي في برايس أصحابته بذلك فرصة
In Medina Hospital, I received $1,000 from Free Press Unlimited. She thanks to Free Press, asking Free Press Unlimited to assist her again. She says we need medical assistance and some other basic needs related to her life. Now she's thanks to Press, thanks to Free Press Unlimited and other colleagues who arranged this nice work.
magacaygu waa ayaan abdiraguule waxaan ka howlgalaa TV-ga sponsor runtii aad u mahadsan tahay hay'adan magacayga ilaawna
Free Press.
waad jira kartiin maaha aad ay u mahadsan tahay hay'adan Free Press lacagtan ay soo gaarayso $1,000 runtii aad ayaan ugu mahadcelinaynaa kulli xaaladana caafimaad aad u fiican tahay insha Allah.
Hamdi Mohammed Hassan, Hamdi His, one of Somali journalists. She was one of the journalists who injured in National Theatre in Mogadishu on 4 April this month when a blast occurred there. She receives $1,000 from Free Press Unlimited based in Holland. She says that she is very happy to receive this amount of money, $1,000. She is getting better for her injury, and now she thanks to colleagues who arranged this nice work. Also thanks to Free Press Unlimited agency. Hamdi.
magacaygu waa Hamdi Maxamed Xasan waxaan ka howlgalaa TV-ga Somali Channel waxaan u mahadcelinayaa hay'adda Free Press Unlimited oo soo gaarsiisay waana ka gudoomay wayna mahadsanyihiin